Hey friends, if WSL is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and select check for updates. This will start updating Windows. Now the next solution is a little different. You will have to enable WSL. So search for Windows features and then click on turn Windows features on or off. Okay, now you can scroll down to Windows subsystem for Linux. Check this box here, click on OK. It will need a while to load this feature, means activate this feature, and once it does, then you will be able to use WSL. Please note that this is not activated on your computer by default. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.